2, 3.
Hello, Yaya, and today I'm going to introduce my house. Here is where I sit and spin my chair, but my chair is right over here. And this is my stuff, and the green bag has all of the stuff we can eat. And this is my toy box. All the toys can go here. And this is my bed, and my sister's bed, and my mom's bed. And this is my dad's bed. And this is like a coffee table, like it. This is a sofa, and this is a drawer. We can't open it because someone have food inside. This is another drawer, and this is some stuff we haven't eaten. And this is my mask. This is my mom's bag. This is my head clip. This is my another head clip. That is my mom's earring. This is my clothes. This is where I drink here. And this is a yellow bag. This is a yellow bag. This is a bag, but full of shoes and socks. And that is a toilet. My mom is showering. And this is the stuff we can hang things. And the lights come. The lights come when you close the internet. And this is my dad's mask. And this is the lamp. And this is where you can call people. And this is a mirror. And this is a wallpaper stuff because it can make some stuff like fuzzy stuff in the head all over the wall. And that is a curtain. And bye bye guys, and bye bye Yaya, bye bye Yaya. And need to do something, you can get me. And that is looks like a mirror, like there. And bye bye.